So we got a 2018 Ford F-150 that just came in. It's got a knockoff MagnaFlow, Flow Pro 409 MagnaFlow knockoff, and duals out the back on each side with rolled tips. It's just a little bit too loud for him. It's droning really bad. We're gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like. It's up in the air, by the way. Tell us, would you guys rather have the videos like this up in the air or on the ground? Again, go ahead. You guys can see the sound decibels are 107. Again. So we're gonna add a BORLA, and they took the resonator off too. That's the problem why it's droning. You try never take the resonator off here. It usually gets right here before the muffler. So we're gonna put them a BORLA Pro XS there to quiet it down and take the drone out and keep that muffler on it. So nice different combination. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. Hope you guys like it. 2018 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. Real beautiful truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then what we put on it is, instead of the resonator that was missing, we showed you the video before, we added a BORLA Sportsman edition, part number 40944. The drone was driving him insane. So this BORLA Sportsman should help him a lot with the drone. Then he had a knockoff Flow 409 MagnaFlow knockoff, single in, dual out, right there. Then two tailpipes out the back on each side, into some roll tips to finish out the look, as you guys can see there and there. So it's got duals. Now it's got a BORLA Sportsman edition muffler in the front. MagnaFlow knockoff in the back to quieten it down, because these usually come with a resonator in the middle to quieten them down. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, it's a lot quieter. Still got a tone to it, but it's a lot quieter. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95, 96. Again. 97. Yeah, it's a lot quieter. His main concern, he wanted to keep the sound, he just wanted to take the drone out. So hopefully this helped him with it. He'll let us know in a couple of days. I think it still sounds good though, because that BORLA is still a straight through muffler. Sounds really good. It's deep. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So we put a BORLA Sportsman edition in the front. It's got Flow 409 in the back with duals. He wanted it quieter, we made it quieter. Oh yeah! Perfect. Enjoy, guys.